Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll work with the update statement. So the update statement is used to modify or change the existing records in a table. And this is the syntax for the update statement. So we'll start with the update keyword and then given the name of the table. Then we'll use the set keyword and assign new values to the columns which you want to update. And finally, we'll use the where clause to give in the condition which should determine where the columns are to be updated. So I've put in the where clause over here in square brackets because it is optional. Now let's update some records of our employee table. So this is our employee table and I want to set this age value to 42 where the name equals Sam. So this would be the command for that. So I will give in the update keyword and then give in the name of the table which would be employee and then use the set keyword and then set the age value to be equal to 42. Then use the where clause and then set the condition. So the condition is the name should be equal to Sam. So where the name is equal to Sam, I am updating the value of age from 45 to 42. Let me put a semicolon. Let me hit execute. So you see that one row has been affected. So now let me have a glance at the change table. Select star from employee. Right, so we see that initially the age value was 45 where the name was Sam. So the age value has been changed from 45 to 42. Now similarly, I'd want to change the department to tech wherever the gender value is female. That is, I want to change the department of all of the female employees from analytics to tech. So this is how I can do it. Again, update keyword and then I'll give in the name of the table and then the set keyword. So over here, I want to set the department to be equal to tech where the gender is equal to female. So let me put in female over here. Right. So let me hit execute now and let's see what happens. So we see that two rows have been affected. Now again, let me have a glance at the modified table. Select star from name of the table is employee. Right. So we see that initially the department of both of the female employees was analytics. So that department has been changed from analytics to tech. Now I want all of the employees to have the same salary. So I will update this entire column to have the same value, which is $50,000. So this command would be quite simple. Update and then the name of the table, which is employee. And then I'd have to set the salary to be equal to 50,000. That's it. Let me hit execute. So we see that 6 rows have been affected. Again, let me have a glance at the modified table. Select star from the name of the table is employee. Execute again. Right. So we see that the salary has been updated. So every employee's salary is same. It is $50,000 per annum. And this is how we can work with the update statement. In the next class, we'll learn how to work with the delete statement. So thanks for attending this session. Let's meet in the next class.